Hello, green-eyed monsters! Here I am again, your Mommy Eye, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mommy Potter the Plant Witch. And for today's video, day 14 of 30 of houseplant care, I'm gonna feature Begonia care tips. Begonia is a genus of perennial flowering plants in the family Begoniaceae. Typically used as houseplants, begonias have tropical and subtropical origins. They are grown for their asymmetrical pattern and variegated foliage, and others to add color to shady garden areas with bright blooms. Although typically on the smaller side, begonia plants display colors that interest plant lovers. There are different types of begonias. Tuberous begonias have spectacular colorful flowers, glossy or waxy leaves, and are particularly showy in hanging baskets or containers. An example is the Begonia semperflorens, the green leaf red which has waxy green leaves. Cane begonias with an upright growth habit and segmented stems, cane types have beautiful foliage and bloom in a wide array of colors. Angel wing begonias, named for their wing-shaped leaves, also belong to this group. Here is a Begonia coccinea, scarlet begonia, which has copper-colored wing-shaped leaves. Rhizomatous begonias are distinguished by relatively thick stems or rhizomes that grow horizontally near the soil surface and sprout new roots and leaves. They also have some of the most interesting leaves and stems and are often grown as houseplants. Begonia heracleifolia belong to this category, or the star-leaf begonia, which has green star-shaped leaves with purple edges. Rex begonias is a subgroup of Rhizomatous. Rex begonias are loved by their distinct foliage. An example is the escargot, which has spiral-shaped leaves of purple and silver. Here are some basic Mommy Potter tips to care for begonias as indoor plant. On lighting conditions for this plant. Begonias grow best in medium light, shaded areas with bright light, or filtered sun near a window with shade curtain. Mommy Potter tip: as most indoor plants, avoid exposing begonias to direct sun as this will burn their leaves. The best soil for begonias. All begonias like evenly moist, well-draining soil with some added organic matter. Mommy Potter tip: you can use regular potting mix, loam soil with vermicast, coco peat, and perlites, and the pot should have a drainage hole. On watering begonias, regular watering is important for healthy plants. The soil should remain moist at all times but not too wet, as this can cause rot. Mommy Potter tip: water at the base of the plant to keep the foliage dry and prevent leaf spot and fungal diseases. Avoid overwatering. Pests and diseases affecting begonias. Begonias are susceptible to powdery mildew, mealybugs, mites, thrips, and whitefly. Stem rot and rhizome rot can be caused by overwatering and soggy soil. Mommy Potter tip: regularly check the plants for the presence of the pests. Clean it with soft cloth and handpick the insects to avoid further infestation. So after learning these basic care tips for begonias, add another plant to your house and enjoy the magic of planting!